Hello! In this video I will show you how to install GPT Widget on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now click open. And now click this button to skip introduction, then click not now, and now click open permissions. Then click on AI assistant, and then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and click back. Now click back again, and you can click start. And as you can see, here is your GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.